But the other is in fact that, interestingly, even though, to your point, is absolutely a truism when it comes to individuals, that people are always still saying, "Oh, I've already got my data anyway." So that's not the case with enterprises, right? That's not the case with so many companies who've either for regulatory reasons, right? So if you're a medical, anywhere in the health sciences world, you've got HIPAA rules that constrain what you can do with that data, or many times just for business secret reasons. I'm not going to give my data away. This is my livelihood. This is my IP. And by the way, not just my IP, but the IP of all my supply chain partners. And so things
Sure.
like all these efficiencies that we thought we better run across supply chains means we're giving up massive amounts of data to each other and from each other. And so there's still a lot of really valuable data. And I would argue this is one of the biggest problems of centralized AI, is that it could only train on publicly available data, which was either quote unquote stolen, depending on where you sit in terms of the copyright debate that's raging through multiple court cases right now, or was just accessible on the internet because of social media. But social media is not exactly unbiased data, right?
Yeah.
It's the product of all the algorithms.
Did you see what the number one source of like? I saw somewhere that the number one source of information from ChatGPT right now is Reddit.
Right, because and they've run out of the data, right? And so maybe Reddit is just continually producing more. But there's bots out there. Sam Altman's complaining about bots now. Everyone's like, so they've got to this point where they're creating the synthetic data. So they're training on their own data, which is creating a recursive problem, which some people say is the driver of the hallucinations. Like, it's a mess, right?
Yeah.
Where the real opportunity lies is in the data that the enterprises are sitting on. That's where the value is.